Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect pizza base at home. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. The secret to a great crust begins with properly activating your yeast in warm water. Then, we'll combine everything to form a dough that's ready for kneading. This method ensures a consistently delicious and airy base every time. Once your dough is formed, it's time for the crucial kneading process. Work the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. After kneading, place it in an oiled bowl, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour. This first rise is essential for developing flavor and texture. Hey everyone, if you're finding these pizza-making tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Quick recommendation: just like a perfect pizza base, a good book can transport you. Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for looking up recipes or enjoying a novel while your dough rises. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After the first rise, gently punch down your dough to release any trapped air. This step helps create a finer crumb. Next, divide the dough into the number of pizza bases you want to make. Carefully shape each portion into a round, flat base, being mindful not to overwork it. Let these shaped bases rest for about 15 minutes before adding your toppings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.